Welcome guys, welcome to another episode here on Aviator Emirates. I'm here with my guys, Nick, Yusuf and Shadrach, and we're gonna go to this aviation museum. So let's check it out. Trust me. Exactly. You've got like 30 degrees back. I turn left slightly. Landing light on. Yes, yes. That's fantastic, that's great. Fantastic flying skills, man. 10 out of 10.
Way off. It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
He's got it, he's got it, he's got it.
Like, you can bring it back.
You can save this, Shadrach, we believe in you.
Use the right one. Oh, don't use runners, don't use runners.
Yeah, exactly, that's what happened last time, that's why we got put in this situation.
It's too high.
I'm using right one. I'm using it.
I don't know why I done that.
I'm using my runners and it's flowing.
So just an update on everything. We are currently flying at 2,700 feet and my guy Yusuf has got it all patterned out. He's got it all sorted out. He's trying his best to get this thing on the ground, even though technically it is already on the ground.
Feels heavy.
Yeah, it feels like something.
Aww.
Bruh.
It happened again.
Why is it doing that? I didn't touch the run. My foot.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the block of flats where the local time is now 15:82. That's not even the correct time.
Ready to go?
Take off checklist. Okay, take off checklist signs on. RTO set. Speed brake is up, down. Flaps 1, set. Take off. And just stabilize. Land flex. Set.
It's now up and running over.
Thank you.
80 knots. 100 knots. Check.
Totally rotated. Oh, that was way too much, man. What's the front? You need to chill with your vertical speed. You just killed everyone. Oh man, look at this guy.
Alright, so my guy's gonna try and attempt to land at City Airport because he's disabled like that. See? You can. Do you wanna give it a try, Nick?
Nick, you on it?
Do you wanna try? Nick. Well, you need to descend a bit more though.
Where are you going?
He's descending. That's not a bit.
It's right turn base.
It's a right, yeah, trust me, it's a right base. Yeah, but you said base though. Base and right base are two completely different things.
Okay.
It's plastic.
It's a mistake. Tip of man. Tip at the top.
140, not even 145, 143 or something.
I'm pretty sure 150.
Hey, your speed is going dangerous to film, and I wonder why it's going so low.
Bro, why are you flat spirit against me?
Trust me. Hey, why? If you're gonna turn steeply, man, because you're gonna overshoot again. Or take a left. Take a left. Take a no.
He's taking it right.
What? Do you know your left and right? I said take a left. gonna overshoot it again. I guarantee you're gonna overshoot it.
You go to the ground.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
Alright, take a checklist. No.
I don't know where.
Have you done your
Alright, you ready then?
Yes.
Bro,
I've only
you
done.
can move individually. Yes, man, stop doing that.
I had a flat stop. You let the chocolate integrate. I'm just waiting till I finish swimming first, and then I'll join that. So I'm looking to join. I applied for Air Lingus today.
Stop, man.
Because they're doing an integrate program.
I know to start again, fam. You're in the thing. Stop.
0 hour until like I get a job with Air Lingus at the end, and then they'll finance it.
Stop.
Hey, stop, man.
They take all your out of salary to work for them. So I'll apply for that. Hopefully,
You'll have to look out for
moves, you know, the flag control. Do flag control?
Engine stabilize. Take off thruster.
That's right, it's not up fast.
Yeah, it's not as like going to.
But the thing is, it's passive. Like when you first start.
Obviously, I'll take any job that I
No,
can get.
exactly.
Yeah.
And once you've done your it will decide to grab your ball.
So eventually, my main plan is to come back to BA.
100.
You know, it's
You're not saying it, though, innit? So I have to do it for you.
If you get that,
Right, stop, man.
If not, I'll probably just join normal
I
flights.
swear, you're making everything so weird. Alright, was it ready to climb?
Gear up. LNAV. VNAV speed.
Rob, move your foot out of the way.
My feet are not in the way.
now the bottom pedals over there don't work, but the yoke
Thank God,
does.
thank God they don't work.
But the yoke does.
Oh, man.
Look at your vertical speed.
Bro,
Look at your airspeed.
don't worry about my vertical speed, I know what I'm doing. You set flaps too.
You just got to wait for this part to
So this guy's
that might not be on an hour.
waffling, man.
As you see, folks, we have perfect CRM skills going on over here.
Hey, there's no bit between idle and like. Is there? You just have to leave it in the middle. Just go 250 I just need the second one.
So next up we have Shadrach and Yusuf. Let's see if they can have what it takes to land the plane successfully and beat the high score, which is on there. Oh, up there. I don't know why I recorded myself there. Let's see. Your big head's in the way, Yusuf.
What do you want to do?
Don't have a head. Don't have a head.
What's your speed? It's getting 500.
Why are you coming fast? Why are you fucking coming fast? What?
400.
Last time. Oh, that's actually hard. Look at that.
30, 20, 10.
Nice.
17 for.
Yeah, I think this is your second hit too hard.
Yes, Matt. I'm on the right level.
Flight attendants are reporting some vast vomiting happening in the cabin. By the way.
Oh, mate, it's fun. Yeah, you've got to use runners, you can't just use the crosswind. Look at that crosswind.
50, 40, 30, 20. Yeah,
Taxiway.
Harrison Ford crap going on right
You
here.
already touched down.
Yeah, touch it.
Okay, down.
So you got my guy Shadrach getting familiarizing himself with the aspects of the 777. So you got speed brakes, got landing gears, as my colleague is now demonstrating. You got, that means up, that means down. Wait, can you do off? Yeah, you can. That's mad.
And what's that when you do that?
That's basically it's not armed.
Oh, okay.
So up is armed, middle is like not armed, and then you can lower it. And then you have, of course, the most important thing, the yoke. Nah, this is sick. We just need to wait for the other joke mans to hurry up.
Checked. Get out.
Checked. Gear down. Gear down, 3 greens. Landing checklist.
Landing it.
Down.
Signs.
On.
Spoilers.
Armed. Flaps. Full set. Speed checked. 150. This guy doing, man?
Under the sea.
Under the sea. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, bruv, you're about to hit my. I know. Move the yoke forward, man.
360.
Aye, do a loop.
This is
No, you don't turn. Don't turn.
Windshield. It says windshield.
What the hell is this guy doing, fam? Hey, you're wasting time. Hey, wait, we're gonna have another round.
That is how you roll a 777. That is how you fly, but
Who wants to roll a 777 though? That's not something you would do normally. Bro, you touched the yoke.
I'm not touching it.
Why is it going forward then?
My feet are here, but they're not touching.
Within the trial. Oh, you missed it.
All around me are familiar faces.
His face, fam. He's
Get him two red, 2 whites.
bro, he's got 3 or 4 whites, fam. Let alone 2 reds, 2 whites. Lower your nose, fam. You got.
Adam, you know how you criticize me, yeah? Big man, why is your SB 140 knots at 4,200 feet?
Because I'm trying to descend.
Okay, no, shut up.
No,
You need to go flaps 2 right now. You need to go flaps. Yes.
Flaps 2 is when I'm on final.
Look at your look at your.
Yeah, but at least he's not going near the stalling though. He's keeping it steady though.
If I was at 120, then that's a different story.
But he's at 4,000 feet. I never went all that slow at 4,000. I went
No, but you were when. Oh, who was that? Every time you were at that speed, you were always losing speed.
trust
Like
me.
you were going.
Your nose was up this time. My nose was not up.
He's keeping it constant though, so it's all right.
That's why I fly.
I didn't want to start rolling back the turn slowly.
Yeah.
I think that's a bit of a risk.
Runway inside.
Where is the runway? This is the only place where I don't have to follow rules.
Oh, why should say to my mum that doors were there to be
It's not meant to work.
No one would have made them if they weren't broken in the first place. So.
It does work, but I don't want it deployed.
I still want to say that to my mum. The rooms are there to be broken.
This guy's. You're down, check.
So he's
Speed break
either
on.
programmed it wrong. But I'm sure you noticed because over the radio they'd say 1,000 speed.
Emirates 985, Heathrow Tower, runway 27 left, please. Wing 050.
It's one or the other. It goes to Germany instead of Scotland, or it took Scotland instead of Germany.
129, contact ground,
Google it.
We're not on the ground, fam.
129, ground.
Hey, let me land, man. Shut up.
What are these white lights on? Go on. White
I'm
lights.
landing the plane. I don't care about lights right now.
What light?
Do you see the white lights on the ground?
They're very
That's lightning.
Yeah, exactly.
Why are we flying into lightning?
No, it's rain on the window.
Alright, landing checklist. Landing gear.
Landing it down.
Down.
3 green. I like it.
Spoilers, arms.
Arm for landing.
This
Flaps
guy's
full.
the biggest distraction
Bro, you don't touch the yoke.
I've ever seen.
Stop touching my yoke. You actually just, I missed my turn now.
What do you mean I missed my turn? It's not my fault you're done.
Bro, Nick, you're just. Yeah, I don't know what to say.
What's your altitude?
I don't know what to call you because
Look here, let's go.
I'm giving up.
I've done it. Wait, that's flaps itself.
Yeah.
Speed brakes
You're
on.
gonna stall.
Nick, why? Arm the speed brakes. What are you doing?
Well, that's not on the speed brakes.
Read the checklist.
Nick, you have to lift it.
Bro, what are you doing to my speed brakes, man?
What are you
Arming
that's-
it.
no, that's
Arming
not
it.
armed.
Armed it.
I don't
Cut
want arms.
button.
There's no greens.
Bro, I swear, if you're giving me speed brakes,
Still
man.
working on it.
You've got reds,
Yeah, of course I go reds because this guy's playing with. His joke man's playing with my speed brakes, man.
Well, when I was coming up with the company,
I've had this so much.
Okay, yeah, we're good, we're good.
I had this pattern so well, yeah. This guy just fucked everything up.
Nick, stop touching up the thing.
There you go, armed. See that?
That's it. There you go. You're getting. Oh,
Bruv, it's armed.
There you go. Two reds, 2 whites. That's the one.
Leave it, don't touch
Perfect.
Crash it.
Nick, stop talking. Stop talking. Nick.
But you're a hero.
Nick, stop. I'll bang you, fam. I'll literally kick you out of this
That is
game.
perfect.
Look at that. 2 reds. Oh my. Oh yeah.
He's that man like Adam, you know?
Oh, that.
I beg you, just bounce him.
Hey, allow it, take it.
Hey, perfection, you
Don't
know.
jinx it, fam.
Perfection.
My landing's on my drive. I swear that my flight's on my drive.
2 reds, 2 whites. Jeez.
Oh. The passengers on the back are in dread.
Oh, yeah, give it a bit of flair.
Oh,
There.
free.
Look at that.
Free. No, Rita.
Come on, Adam. Smooth
Yes,
it.
fam, you know it, fam.
Come on.
Jeez. Nick, all your procedures were waste of time, man. If you ever say to me, check this one more time, I'm gonna bang you past. Look, it always veers off.
Always
Why
does
does
that,
it?
always
That's not
Try
me.
correct it with the rudder.
Look, we can see the other thing to go.
What?
There.
Oh shit, we landed on the wrong runway, fam.
Did we?
Yeah, you did.
Oh, what?
Well, would you like to turn, please?
So, taxi to the gate, taxi to the gate.
No, fam, that's wasting time, fam.
How'd you get points on that? You have to.
Alright, that's it.
Who is it?
So we made it here. We made it out of the cockpit. We had high score over here. Man like Yusuf, he made it. And altogether, it was a great experience today. Nonetheless, we really thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. Definitely highly recommend this place. Obviously now we're going to be passengers. We were pilots a few minutes ago, now we're going to be passengers for the day. Just casually sit down, fam.
We're going to the back.
Yes. Alright guys, so we just finished here at the aviation flight experience. I'm here with my guys. We're going to do some plane spotting now, get some food as well. Folks, I really hope you enjoyed this video that I just made. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me or just write in the comments. You got a man like Gorilla, just right there. He looks like a gorilla, so we just put him through. What are you laughing for? What's so funny about that? Continue. I'm continuing. So, like I said, if you have any questions, just don't feel free to, no, do not feel free to. Don't hesitate to contact me, let's put it that way. And until next time guys, I'll see you around. Take it easy.